press that red dot and you'll see that your seconds will start the roll. So we're just going to go over a few things about the smart tools and record what we're going over. Like for instance, here we have a blank page, and if we wanted another blank page, we could click here on the plus sign where it says add a page, and now we have 2 pages. We clicked it again, we'd have 3 pages, or we could go to insert on the upper toolbar and click on blank page, and we would then have a 4th page. The blue line around it lets us know which page we're working on. So we're going to go back to page 1. Some other interesting things you can learn about the icons on the Smart Toolbar page is this is if we were actually looking for a file that we had done. Could be on the desktop or in our documents or in our Dropbox. Or if we wanted to save a file, we could click on this file icon and save as is here. You could name the file whatever you'd like to name it. Or if you'd want to make a link, you could click here on the pasting clipboard, and this is where I like to include my links. I click here, I go to link. I would put my link in here and it would be anchored on my page. If I wanted to redo and undo, I can use these little arrows, and that's what they do, redo and undo. This is the delete icon here. If I were looking for shapes, I could click here, and whichever one you highlight in gray is the one you're going to get when you put it on your page. Let's say I wanted a square. I could highlight this square in gray. There we are. If I wanted to use the shade feature, I can reveal to students what I want them to see from the top. This keeps students from taking notes ahead. Or I could reveal from the bottom here. Let's see what else do we have here. If I wanted to show full screen, I could click here. This takes us out of full screen. Or if I wanted to see 2 screens at a time, page 1 and page 2. Okay? Alright, so that's just some things about how you could use the Smart Recorder. Now let's watch our Smart Recorder. I'm going to